We are now going to turn to our talking point tonight. What should particularly the riot victims make of the final surrender of the Gujarat minister there, Maya Kodnani, wanted certainly by the special investigative team for her role in the Naroda Patia riots.
Okay, joining us on Talking Point tonight is Teesta Setalvad, joining us from Mumbai, and Jai Narayan Vyas, the BJP spokesperson, joining us from Ahmedabad. Good evening to both of you. Thanks very much for joining us here on India at 9. My first question to you, Mr. Vyas. Maya Kodnani, one of the most prominent faces of the BJP in Gujarat, absconding for months, today forced to surrender, forced to resign. Surely the BJP has much to introspect and much to be embarrassed about.
Well, I would say that the words themselves indicate that the judgment is written even before the trial is made.
Why do you say that?
Let us understand that she sought the anticipatory bail, and if somebody seeks the anticipatory bail and the application is not rejected, one is perfectly within one's own right to remain wherever one is. And therefore, no sooner the Honorable Court pronounced that her anticipatory bail application was rejected, she not only surrendered, but she also tendered her resignation, and which is absolutely in the same stroke forwarded by the Honorable Chief Minister to His Excellency the Governor. So where is the question of somebody trying to abscond or somebody trying to run away from the
Mr. Jai Narayan
Vyas,
you seem to be forgetting that Maya Kodnani only appeared actually when she applied for bail there in the Gujarat High Court. She was absconding for weeks before that. But these are procedural matters. Let's just ask you, why did it take the Gujarat government so long to ask for her resignation? It's a question even asked in the court over there. After all, Maya Kodnani has been wanted for more than a year by the special investigative team there.
Well, I think she was going, see, you should understand the difference between one being pronounced guilty and one being turned down as far as some legal
A minister in your government is wanted specifically. What the public prosecutor actually said is Maya Kodnani is wanted for provoking the rioters in at least 2 places there in Naroda. How much more taint can there be against a minister before that minister's resignation is accepted?
Well, are you trying to say that one is guilty even before the court pronounces
Not at
one
all,
guilty?
Sir, but should she not have resigned and waited out for the judgment?
Let the law take its own course. She has been, as any individual, she had recourse, and she took that recourse as the fundamental rights available to her for legal remedy. And she sought the anticipatory bail, which has been turned down. And no sooner that happened, she has not only resigned, but she has surrendered also before
Mr. Vyas, the Gujarat High Court made a very important observation today, saying religious fanatics are no better than terrorists. Do you believe that's been uncalled for in the case of Maya Kodnani?
We fully respect the Honorable Court's verdict. Let me be very clear about that. And I would also further add to it that there is not a final, this is not a final word pronounced. If she has a recourse to move the higher court or seek the legal redressals through an appellate authority, that is her personal right.
Absolutely, and that right belongs to everyone, and including Maya Kodnani. I'll just like to get Teesta Setalvad in. You've heard what Jai Narayan Vyas has been saying. Today's surrender, today's arrest, the fact that she's been absconding has all been made into technical details. How do you respond?